what was the hardest part of this fight? You have fought a very long battle. What was the biggest, सबसे बड़ी चुनौती क्या? What was your biggest fight? What was the most difficult thing?
I addressed 51 days rally along with my leg choke, and I must tell my IT team and my young generation, they work very hard, they work very lovably, and the women voters, they gave me the inspiration totally. And also these two slogans, Khela Hobe and these two, Joy Bangla, it gave me the inspiration for this battle.
ये महिला वोटर आपके साथ इतना लगाव है, हर चुनाव में महिला वोटर आपको वोट देती है, ये महिलाओं के साथ लगाव क्या है कि ममता बनर्जी को हर चुनाव में महिलाओं का बड़ा अच्छा वोट मिलता है?
तो महिला हमारा गौरव का है ना, जो घर में काम करता है वो बाहर में सबसे अच्छा काम कर सकता है, इसी के लिए महिला, वी आर प्राउड ऑफ आवर वुमेन वोटर्स and they gave us the vote. Even the new generation, the young generation, they all voted for us. Otherwise, also to vote, get this 50% more than vote share is 50%.
Did you कभी आपको लगा कि अब इस बार तो did you ever lose hope? कभी आपने आशा छोड़ दी थी कि बहुत मुश्किल होगा, कैसे जीतेंगे, पूरी बीजेपी की फोर्स थी, कभी ऐसा कभी डर था?
मैंने कभी आशा नहीं छोड़ा था कि जब भी कोई मेरे को बात किया, I am from the grassroots level, you know, I can see the eyes of the people, I know the voting patterns and all this, so it was my totally absolute, I was confident that we will cross the double century, and this time we have got
अब आपकी yes, this time you've got back, you know, that's what I'm saying, you've got maximum seats. So will you make any changes in your style? Will you change the way you do your politics, because there were allegations against your party, corruption, cut money?
I told you that I cannot change myself because I am a commoner and I am a street fighter. I want to continue that.
But Didi, not too many commoners have won 3 elections in a row. 3 elections is a huge achievement, each time with a bigger majority. So clearly you have got to connect with the people of Bengal, as you said. I just want to understand though, that for Mamta Banerjee, in politics, you've had a very long struggle. Was it more difficult defeating the left or defeating Modi Shah?
No, left, they have some ideology, Congress, they have some ideology. But Modi Shah, this ideology, this syndicate ideology is something different. You know, they are too much. They are too much. You cannot trust them. They cannot do anything and everything. They can do anything and everything, even with smile face. That is the problem. And they can do the danga, they can do the polarization, they can do the finish the people, they can do anything and everything. I'm really, it's a sad affair for me to say anything about any particular person. I have a respect for the chair, so I respect the chair, and I have no blame for anyone.
पर आपको कोई डर नहीं लगता दीदी? आप ये पूरे कैंपेन में आपको कभी डर नहीं लगा कहीं ना कहीं कि मैं हार जाऊंगी? कोई डर नहीं था?
हम लड़ते हैं, हम मरते नहीं है. हम लड़ते हैं, हम डरते नहीं है. हमारा स्लोगन नहीं है कि हम करेंगे, हम लड़ेंगे, हम जिताएंगे, हम दिखाएंगे और बीजेपी को हटाएंगे. That we have done.
आप कैंपेन में व्हीलचेयर पे थी और आपको जब इंजरी हुई थी, आज इतने दिनों के बाद आप इतने दिनों के बाद आप चल रही है. Are you now back to work tomorrow morning, Mamta Banerjee, and when will you be sworn in?
No. मेरे को प्लास्टर काटा था before 5-6 days ago. So there I was totally rest. I was totally bed rest for my leg choke, and now I am wearing this anklet and all this, and very small. So it will take some time.
Who has inspired Didi? दीदी, who is your inspiration? कोई role model, inspiration इतनी जो आपको इस चुनाव में ताकत मिली है? Anybody else you see a street fighter like you जो आप
Bengal soil.
तो ये जॉय बांग्ला का जो स्लोगन आपका है, क्या वहीं से आपको शक्ति मिलती है? जॉय बांग्ला का जो स्लोगन है,
Jai Bangla,
you say Jai Bangla. Is that where you get your?
देखिए जय बांग्ला मीन्स हम बांग्ला को ग्लोरीफाई कर रहे हैं, तो ऑफकोर्स एनीबॉडी विल ग्लोरीफाई देयर ओन स्टेट, व्हाई नॉट माय मदरलैंड।